Get up. Pick it up.
Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. Today is day 10 of National Crochet Month Challenge and I am super excited to bring you Throwback Thursday. And I will tell you it was very hard to look at some of my old videos and content and pick out some to do a compilation because I was overwhelmed with emotion earlier. It was an amazing journey. And I said, I have to do Throwback Thursday again, even though today is Sunday. That's so funny. But anywho, I just picked out a handful, and I threw them in there. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Ola Joe. I am the Crocheting Sailor. And I wanted to let you know that this channel is all about crochet. And I really want to teach beginners how to crochet. But I also have videos, tutorials, and other things for intermediate and advanced crocheters as well. You will be able to also see that there are yarn giveaways, yarn hauls, and yarn shopping trips that you can enjoy. So come on and take a little trip with me. Come and check my channel out, like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe. I am the Crocheting Sailor. I am happy to see you all today and I hope you like my sweatshirt. It says thank you in so many different languages. So I was really happy to get this and share it with you, but I have happy mail. Yes, happy mail, happy mail, happy mail. Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe. I am the Crocheting Sailor. And I wanted to come on today and let you all know that I received some happy mail. I am so excited. And I wanted to share this with you. Yes, she is a very talented lady. And she can do some nice, beautiful custom things. I want to make sure that I get in here without doing any damage to this beautiful creation that she made. So thank you so much for coming on with me and checking everything out. So I hope everything is well with all of you. I have just been having a fantastic week. I have been busy, but hey, I'm still making it. I'm still here. Look at this. Yes. This is a project bag. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is huge. She made this with her own hands. Look at this detailing, everyone. Look at that. This is a wonderful themed bag. This is something that I wanted to have in my collection. And she did this beautiful zip pull. All of her bags that she makes have those. Oh, and look at it. It has a nice little zipper pull thingamabobber. I'm so excited. And it just pulls with ease. Look at that. And look at the inside. This bag is gorgeous. Can you all see that? Oh, this is so nice. And see, it also has the same detail on the back with the lighthouse. And you guys can see everything. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, this is so nice. It's another zipper pull. Oh, Karen, you really outdid yourself. Oh my gosh. I am excited. I got a box. Oh my goodness, I got a box. And this is from Chef and More. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I started sliding the scissors down here so I can really get into it really fast. Oh my goodness. happy mail. I always love it. Oh, look, it's a cute little card. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Compliments of Chef and More. Thank you so much, Chef. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh. Always wanted one of these. I'm so excited. Forget this pillow and this one. I have a YouTube pillow. Thank you, Chef. Oh my God. Oh, here's the opening. I'm so excited. Okay. Get my composure here. Okay. Yay. Thank you so much. I love her pillow. Look, I finally get one. I mean, it's like excellent. Thank you so much, Chef. And welcome to Ola Joe, the Crocheting Sailor. I am coming on to show you some happy mail that I received from Mama G Gear. Yes, she had a wonderful auction and I bid on this item. So I cannot wait to show you what's inside. There was a lot of talk at the auction on what this blanket was. So you all can let me know in the comments if I get the name of this blanket right. First, someone had mentioned it was Sophie's Universe, or it was like Sophie's Universe. And someone said maybe it's Studies of Possibilities. Then someone said maybe it's Study of Texture. And some of these are by Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, right? Well, I did my research and I said, they're slightly different. I was like, so it is possible that it is Study of the Journey. Now, for Study of the Journey, he did that maybe about a year ago, and it was a stitch along. So here's the card. It says, thanks. Thank you for the opportunity to donate to the organization and to win. But here is the blanket without further ado. Oh, I got some extra stuff too. Let me get to the blanket. This is huge, and I love the colors. I'm telling you all, I feel that this is by Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, and this is Study of the Journey. You guys can do your research. And I'm going to have to take a picture because I can't get this all in the camera. But look at it. This was made by Mary. Mary is from Will Work with Yarn. She made this. This is gorgeous. Look at all of the stitch work. I love the colors. It is gorgeous. Look at all of the stitch. Very captivating. When I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it and add it to my collection of beautiful makes. Look at that. So I hope you guys are getting a good view of this blanket. Oh, wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. So let me go ahead and show you all the Sophie's Universe blanket, and you guys will see the difference. So this is Sophie's Universe. You see the top part is already different. And here's the center. You all see that? Now, you see this center I'm going to go ahead and show you this one. There is a difference there. And this was the top part. See that? Looks like picots right here. And then there is the beautiful center right there. This is Sophie's Universe. So you see there is a distinct difference. But I love it. I love it. I had to add these to my collection, this particular one. And thank you, Mary, for all the time that you spent on putting and making this blanket and for donating it. Thank you so much. I would like to thank everyone, whether you're an old subscriber or a new subscriber, whenever you jumped in onto my journey and watched me. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy it.